Hello, my name is Alaksandra Zaparucha, and I will be representing Transform ELT and Language Fuel at the 39th annual TESOL France colloquium that is going to take place between the 20th and 22nd of November this year. The conference is going to be online, and the leading theme this year is Rediscover and Reconnect. So I would like you to rediscover and reconnect with CLIL, whether you are a language teacher or a subject teacher, whether you are new to CLIL or whether you are a practicing CLIL teacher. Please come and join me during my presentation. I will be using Language Fuel's website and looking at some of the activities available there, and I will be talking about teacher training for Transform ELT. So welcome everyone to the CLIL Wheel for subject and language teachers. See you there.